Hello there. So we're going to move into some information about simple machines. And so you'll see that there is a slide deck today, and then there is a simple machine info page. If you click on this page, it'll give you some background information all in one spot for your simple machines. You can choose to use that, or you can choose to use a different source, such as looking some of them up on Google. Go ahead and open your slide deck. And simple machines have really set the tone for what we have today in terms of some of the things that the technology that we have. So the directions here say make sure you go to the page created in today's folder titled Simple Machine Info. Also, Google will be fine. Please put a picture after your definition of each machine in your slide deck as well. So wheel and axle, pulley, we use lots of pulleys in our lifetime here that make our life a whole lot easier. Wedge, screw, things of that nature. Things like rack and pinions, and some of the rest of these like the cam and the crank and rod, they power your vehicles that you have. They're the reason that you can get in your vehicle and go down the road without any effort on your part other than turning the key and allowing the engine to work with these parts. So go ahead and finish the definitions, find the pictures, and don't forget to go back to the assignment and submit it through the assignment tab. All right, have a fantastic day.